Is it video?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? Cookies here, eating cookies.
Good morning, guys. Today is December 9th, and we are still in Georgia. We're just waiting for this place to open. They don't open until 10. It snowed all night long. It's not snowing right now when the sun's out, so it's probably all going to melt soon. But I will let you guys know where we're going next. So we got here at 10 and nobody's here. So
Well, there's people here. They're just other truck drivers.
Yeah, we're
waiting to get in.
Yeah, in a line of trucks on the road. So we're just waiting.
Apparently Alabama isn't ready for snowy weather.
We're in Georgia.
We're in Georgia?
Yeah.
Apparently Georgia isn't ready for snowy weather because the truck stops all don't have power. I'm sure a lot of houses don't have power. I mean, and it's not even that bad. It just snowed. That's it. Snowed.
Yep.
There's trees down on the road. There's horrible. And all it did was snow.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure there was probably some high winds, but